Hello. So this is a form which is created for candidates who have opted for CET Trivandrum as the exam center for this upcoming BTech exam, July 2020. We'll see how to configure this form so that it can be reused for each day of the exam. So a separate form is to be shared with the candidates for each day of the exam. So this form is hosted in the Google Drive on this examination wing CET. So this is the master copy of the form. I'll right click this form and make a copy of this form. So the copy appears within the drive. So this is the copy. So let that be there. I'll first make a folder. Say folder, I'll title it as exam July 2020 BTech. So this is the exam July 2020 BTech folder. Within this, I'll create another folder corresponding to the session and date, July 1 forenoon. Create. So I have this folder. Now I'll move this copy of this form which I have created in the drive to this place. So this is move to. Right click and select move to. So it will show the folders. So this is exam BTech, and then select this arrow. It will show the subfolders July 1 forenoon. Fine. I moved this form here. So this is the thing. I moved this form here. Now I am going to edit this form in this location so that it can be sent to this candidates. So I'll double click the form. I have to change the date and session. I also rename the form. Only these two things. So I have this prompt coming up, that is missing file upload folders. Folder contains response. So the problem is that we have created an option for students who declare that they have COVID-19 symptoms to upload supporting proofs. It may be medical documents or something like that, or prescription or whatever. So that students don't make false claims. So when this prompt comes up, just click restore. That will do. Click restore. Then go about naming this form. I'll change the date, July 1, and I'll modify the session as forenoon session. Say forenoon session. That's it. And I'll copy this thing. Copy, and I'll select that. Change the title of the form also so that you can identify this easily. I'll select Ctrl A, delete, and Ctrl V. So the form title has also been changed. So within this next thing we need to change is the response location. So response location is a Google Sheet spreadsheet. So I'll click this three dots here. Say or this thing will do. So create a new spreadsheet. That is the option. So date and session comes. It will be titled with the date and the session. Create. That's it. So this is the form spreadsheet that is created. All the data acquired by the form will be coming to this Excel sheet. So this is a folder. So this folder will contain all those uploads of proofs in case the student declares that he or she has corona. So that is what. Now the next thing is you need to send this form. Select the settings. Go to settings. Make sure this is enabled. Collect email addresses. Send response receipts. That is always the candidate will get a copy of the response he or she fills. This should be left unchecked. Otherwise, people from outside CET domain will not be able to fill it. Presentation, show progress bar, that should be ticked. other things should be unchecked. So make sure this message is there below. Then the quizzes, nothing has to be done there. Then click save. So the form is ready now, configured for accepting responses. Now click send and you will reach this. So make sure this is enabled, collect email addresses. Then go to this option. This is by sending by email. We'll check this option. We'll shorten the URL, get a small URL, copy and close this. The copied link can be shared with the candidates, so by email or WhatsApp, whatever mode, or through the website. So this is the link that candidate gets. Now they can fill this form, and the sample filling also, there are no issues. It has been checked out. This should be helpful to manage the exam a bit more better way. Thank you.